Pivot in Tableau. So, pivot in Tableau helps converting data from columns into rows for better understanding and make analysis of data an easy. By default, Tableau makes dot tables, then divided tables. So, to put dataset in Tableau, we use a Microsoft Excel option here, and we import all representing squares data in Tableau. The data is being imported by executing queries and also processing the request of ours. Uh, Now the data is imported in Tableau, and we use our console keyboard for better understanding of making a pivot in Tableau. So we just click on type and we press the shift key and to select type, team, group, and position. We right click on any four of these and click on pivot option. So the two pivots are created. We change the names of these two. First one we name it as team, and the second one we name it as team specs. Now we move on to sheet one. So we drag team dimension into this. We drag team specs dimension. Team spec dimension aside of team row. Now we drag and drop the code special into the values. Alright, we add the title to this visualization as pivot in so pivot is created in Tableau successfully. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.